Welcome back all of my viewers, and in today's video we're going to install this reversing camera. It's just a little cheap one. We have a tiny little screen and a little camera with some LEDs on it. So yes, and then we have some cables to connect them up. First I need to look under where I'm gonna put this one, cause maybe here, maybe up here, I don't know. I need to see how I'm gonna run those cables from back there. I'm gonna stick it probably on the tail light, the brake light, and it has a couple of tiny screws, and then we can screw it up in there, and then we need to add the cable. I'm probably gonna activate the camera by using reversing light. The cable has a little connection over here, a little extra cable for connecting it up, but I'm not sure. Maybe I'm gonna install a little tiny little switch somewhere, maybe in here, I don't know. I need to have a look first how I'm gonna put it, but first I'm gonna install the LED light and the camera assembly, and then I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna run that cable, so it would be a bit nicer. Maybe probably even I can install the camera screen. Actually, I can install it like in here somewhere. That would be actually really nice to have it like in here, I guess. Yeah, probably gonna put it in here. Of course I need to probably drill some holes or something to put that here, but because then I can just drop it. No, I can just close the thing. Maybe no, I cannot close it. So yeah, I thought I had a really good idea, but looks like it's not gonna work. But first thing first, I'm gonna install this one, and then we're gonna look how I'm gonna put that cable, and then we're gonna come back. So, as you can see, we have finished. Oh, no, it's not working yet. I need to push a button first, and then it works. So what I basically did, I just hooked it up through this button here, because it actually doesn't do anything. So if I'm going to reverse, then I'm gonna push this one and it will light up, and the rear camera will light up as well. I just tucked the cables under some trim until everything fitted nicely. Comes through here, behind that, and most of the unnecessary cables are back there. And I just made a couple of small connections, and it works really fine, I think. So I'm gonna see how it's gonna work during the night time, but as you can see, my cat is here and the other one is somewhere. And yeah, we have 1,249,691 kilometers, and currently we have -5 degrees C, but it actually isn't so cold. So yeah, I have my SJ cam mount here, and as you can see, the window is really foggy right now, so I actually have to go to shop and buy some stuff, because one of the backlights has blown out, and I think one of over here as well. So I'm gonna buy some lights and fix this one, but mounting the camera has I guess it's kind of okay. One of my stickers is under here, so I can't show it back more below, so it actually doesn't show the trailer hitch, so yeah, but it works fine. So thank you for watching, like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.